What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I created the spotlight eye look right here. This has become one of my go-to eye looks. I'm gonna go ahead and only use one palette to create this entire look. I'm using the new NYX Cosmetics and Chilling Adventures of Sabrina palette, the collab that they did together. Turns out this palette was actually limited edition, which I hate. I feel like I don't really like to review palettes on here that are limited edition just because I feel like you can't get them, but I know that a lot of you guys did. So if you did and you were looking for another eye look or some more inspiration, then here it is. So I'll go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so I'm picking up this shade right here. It's called Before Dawn and I'm using my Sigma Taper blending brush in E35. Alright, so I'm adding Before Dawn into my outer and inner crease, and I'm just really building up the crease, putting that right in here and then right here in the inner corner. So out here in the outer corner and then in the inner corner as well. And I'm just gonna kind of create a spotlight eye. Alright you guys, so I'm purposely leaving a gap on my eyes right here in the middle, the same way that Nick left a gap in Sabrina's heart. Haha, okay. Anyways, so yeah, you want to leave a gap right there because you want to go ahead and add shimmer, and that's how we really are going to create our spotlight eye. So just spend a lot of time really just blending it, and always hold your brush really softly. I always hold my brush like this, and I just go really gentle, circular motions, and that's it. And that's really how I blend. Alright, so with a Sigma blending brush in E45, I'm picking up this shade right here, which is called Sweet 16, and it's just a really light pink. And I'm going to go ahead and add this one into the inner and outer crease. So right here on my brush, I have the shade Sweet 16, so I'm going to go ahead and now apply that into my outer and inner corner. And where I'm going to apply it is going to be down below here. I'm not going to apply it up here like I did with Before Dawn. It's just going to go right down here. And I'm going to actually kind of pack this in a little bit. And I'm actually going to pack it in rather than blending, just to kind of make the shadow show up a little bit more. That's just kind of a trick I do, is I just kind of pack it in. Alright you guys, so this is what it should look like. So I like the way it looks right now because it's kind of a nice blend between the light pink and the light orange. I'm just going to go ahead and pick up that last brush that I used previously to apply Before Dawn, and I'm going to kind of blend the two shadows together right here just to make sure that it doesn't look harsh or anything. And I'm really just blending it exactly where the light pink and the light orange meet. So this is what your eyes should look like for the second step, and now we can finish it off with the shimmer. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shade right here. This one right here is Class in Session, and it's just a light gold shimmer. Alright, so I usually like to go in with my finger a lot when it comes to shimmer, but because I really want this to be very detailed, I'm going to go in with a small pencil brush like this. This is a Morphe E36. Alright, so I'm actually going to use this shimmer and apply it all the way up to my brow bone, and I'm just applying that right in the middle, and I'm going to take that all the way up. Right here, I'll bring a little bit sideways and into the shades that are already there. I'm going to use my finger really quick just to kind of add another layer. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. This is just going to really help brighten it. Alright you guys, so this is what it should look like. I'm going to jump back into the palette and actually add another matte shade into my inner and outer corner, and then that should be the last step. Alright you guys, so we're going to jump into Baddie Bat right here, and I'm grabbing my Sigma blending brush in E45, and we're going to apply that into the inner and outer corner. Okay, so I'm applying this deeper pink right into my inner and outer corner, but just right here, right on top of the other shade that I went in with, which was Sweet 16. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of placing this sideways and blending it with that shimmer shade, but I'm not bringing it above or anything. I'm literally just applying it right here. And I'm just applying it right here in the inner and outer corner, just a little bit, and that's pretty much it. I'm just going to leave it like that. Alright, so I'm going to pick up Before Dawn one more time, which is that light orange shade which I used in the very beginning, and I'm just going to apply that right above here and sort of just blend it in. And I'm applying Before Dawn just because I want it to be like almost like a sunset blend, and I really want that orange to show up. So I'm going back in with it, and also I kind of want it to blend with a little bit of that shimmer just so it looks really nice and blended. And this is just going to be like my final touch, I think. Not sure. I might go in with one other shade. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I'm actually so happy with how it came out. I just feel like this is just a really nice, fun look to do. If you want to do this for Valentine's Day, it's totally up to you. If you want to soften the look, obviously you don't have to go in with the deeper colors like I did. You could have left it how I did before I went in with Baddie Bat, and just to keep it a little bit more softer and more everyday. But you see the way my hand is set up, I always have to go a little bit more extra when it comes to my eyeshadow. Alright, so grabbing my drugstore mascara. This is the Great Lash Maybelline. Alright guys, so this is what my eyes look like, but my lashes look very sad and depleted. So I think I'm going to go in with some false lashes. I thought I was going to skip out on it, but never mind. I think I need them. So I'm going to go ahead, pop that on. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did add a little bit of top liner onto the top of my eye just to make it blend with the lashes, but it's very thin. This is the final look. If you want to go in with just mascara, feel free to do that, but my lashes were looking a little wonky, so I popped some false ones on. So yeah, I don't even think these are the same two false lashes from the same pair. I think these are two different pairs. I'm not really sure, but this is the final eye look, so enjoy. Here are some close-ups, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you could be notified for every time I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.